Hello guys, ngayon nga ni tayo ay may tower. Ginawa nga pala ginawa pala ito ng owner. May pre-slap pa sa akin. Sabi ng owner, laruin ko lang daw. Yan, pick owner yan guys, pick owner yan.
Sabi na high place.
Pick owner yan. Pick owner ka, pick owner. Pick owner yan guys, pick owner. Ang para yan, pana. Oh my god,
Ramio TV was shot by arrow.
ano? Nasaan yung galing mo? Nasaan yung galing mo? Ano ginagawa mo? Ha?
Oh, hi.
Dati magkaibigan tayo, guys. Guys,
Ramio
yung
TV
video
hit
ko
the ground too
pala,
hard.
yung isa dinilit ko na, na-delete. Dinat ng kapatid ko. Joke lang,
Ramio TV
dinit ko,
fell from a high
na-delete
place.
ko. Wala. Tapos na natin.